Hi, I'm Meher,
I'm Tanveer.
and today we're going to take you on a tour to Sushant School of Art and Architecture's architecture building. So we're currently in the place where all of us hang out. All the architectural and exhibition events happen over here.
Every
The
group collection event happens in the wind tunnel, and most of the exhibitions are set up here as well.
the life of college is basically here at the wind tunnel. So right from the building, you look down into the amphitheater, and when you have events which are on a much larger scale and where all of the entire college wants to hang out and some kind of cultural practice happens right here. And dance, music, drama, photography, art, all kinds of exhibitions and events. The life is right here.
Especially on events like founders and other main events, सबसे ज़्यादा तो founders पे होता है, and पूरा टेंट वेंट लगता है. There are performances, exhibitions, and guests भी आते हैं बाहर से.
This is our college library. It has more than thousands of books on architecture, design, and landscape. And before any kind of presentation or any kind of reference material that is required, the library has tons of stuff for it.
So guys, the important announcement is that Sketch School of Art and Creativity is actually organizing free counseling sessions for everybody. Now this is for everyone, everybody, every single person, student who is watching this video will have this confusion that which college is actually best for me. I have this much marks and I have this much boards marks. This is my merit marks. Actually, which college is best for me, right? And nobody is there to give you the correct answer. And I have seen so many students opting the wrong college and then regretting it for the next 5 years and then thinking that maybe somebody would have guided me and I would have chosen the right college. So that is why I really want to help all the students to get into the right college, and that is why I'm organizing free counseling sessions for everybody for the year 2023. Okay, so this will be an individual counseling session where you will be required to share your NATA, JEE and boards marks, and then according to your marks we will recommend you that how should you apply for the colleges and which colleges should you actually apply for. Okay, we will recommend you some colleges which we have in our mind and give you a basic idea. Also, we will ask you your recommended states, that in which states you want to take admission. So maybe it can be your home state. Suppose if you are from Karnataka, then you would want to take admission in Karnataka only, and sometimes it happens that the students are from Assam or any other states where there are not much architecture college, so then they want to take admission into Maharashtra, Mumbai, or Delhi and NCR वाला side में. तो वहाँ पे भी we will recommend you that which colleges will be the best for you according to your marks, according to your merit marks. So that will actually allow you to choose a very perfect college for yourself without having to face all the problems which you actually face. तो बहुत बच्चे इतना गूगल करते रहते हैं, हर कॉलेज के बारे में देखते रहते हैं. तो वन स्टॉप डेस्टिनेशन, there are group of 4 architects in our institute, and of course because architects are there, so they have a knowledge about all the colleges in India. So we will actually be able to guide you very correctly and sort your problem. Okay, so to join our counseling session, you have to join the WhatsApp community through the link which is given in the description. Okay, so in the description box below, ऊपर ही सबसे ऊपर आप देखना एक हमने link provide किया हुआ है WhatsApp community group का. So you have to join that WhatsApp community through the link which we have provided in the description box, and then individually all the students who are there in the group, we will guide them and we will tell them that these are the best colleges for yourself, and then you can take admission in the perfect college which you feel like. Okay, so don't forget to join the community group, guys. It's going to be very important, and this is something which you don't want to miss and regret later.
This is the Reprographic Center where all of us come down to take our prints before a jury, and it's got lots of stationery. It's basically this stationery shop, and Faiz Bhaiya over here.
Faiz Bhaiya is the one who carries us in every jury.
It's the spine of this college.
Definitely. It's very empty right now, but it's like a fish market on jury days.
Yeah. You're looking at third year's adaptive habitats exhibition. So this is their end jury work, and along with the narrative base, it's a very pragmatic study. So there's life-size models made and made them all throughout and across the hall, and the juries are made and done right here.
We're about to view a live jury take place.
Loads of these floors, and I form a building also. But this is also my skin. Skin to heavy, but skin to आसान है. अब इस level पे ये skin है. And when it pressure on this campus, skin पर ना. And the skin also is the use your total concept, and put multiple things within it. Imagine at a scale 10 times of this.
Presentation is going on, which is part of a end term submission alongside the iteration, alongside the installation, and the third years are explaining their idea and their narrative to the faculty. We'll take a look inside the studio and see what's going on.